So, hand washing. The first step to hand washing is getting your hands wet. If you have a sink with a handle, you're going to lift the handle, and then you're going to get your hands wet, and then you're going to use soap. You want to get a good amount of soap and make sure you're scrubbing your hands for the length of 2 happy birthday songs. So you can sing it twice in your head or out loud if you want to have fun. But you're going to make sure you get your nail bed and underneath your nails, between your fingers and on your wrists. After you're finished soaping your hands, you'll rinse them off. At this point, if your sink has a handle, you're going to leave your water running because you don't want to contaminate your clean hands with the dirty sink handle. So next, I'm going to come get a paper towel. I want to make sure I don't recontaminate the dirty parts of my hands, so you can always get another paper towel if you need it. Then you're going to take your paper towel and you're going to turn off your water and then dispose of your paper towel. Next, you would ordinarily open up the door to the bathroom, but that would recontaminate your hands. So you can get another paper towel, a clean one, to then open the door.
Hi, I'm going to talk about the importance of sanitizing areas. One of the most important steps to prevent foodborne illnesses is sanitizing. If food contact surfaces are not cleaned properly, bacteria may multiply to dangerous levels. Tabletops, countertops, and high chair trays are different things considered food contact surfaces. You may wonder when you should sanitize surfaces. Some different times are after using the surface, before working with different types of food, anytime you have to stop during a task, and because the items may get contaminated, and after 4 hours if items are constantly being used. The 4 simple steps to sanitizing surfaces are cleaning the surface, rinsing the surface, sanitizing it, and then allowing it to air dry.
I am here to talk to you today about food safety. First thing we want to talk about is meat. You never want to wash your meat or poultry because then it could cause the spread of bacteria quicker, causing cross-contamination. Also, you do not want to wash your eggs for the exact same reason, and also because cleaning of eggs is also a commercial part of packaging them. Lastly, you do want to wash your produce, so your fruits and your vegetables, but you should always wash them under cold tap water and never hot, so that you can remove any lingering dirt and bacteria that may be present. Thank you.
Even after you've cleaned your hands and surfaces thoroughly, raw meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs can still spread illness-causing bacteria to ready-to-eat foods. That is why it is very important to keep them separate and prevent cross-contamination. When cooking at home, you should follow these tips to keep your family safe. First, you should use separate cutting boards for foods that can spread bacteria and make you sick. Also use separate plates and utensils for cooked and raw foods. Another tip is to keep meats, poultry, seafood, and eggs separate from all other foods in the fridge. Bacteria can spread inside your fridge if the juices of possibly contaminated food drips onto other foods. With these tips, cross-contamination can be easily contained at home.
As an important part of food safety in the home is to keep hot food hot and cold food cold. Keeping your fridge below 5 degrees Celsius is crucial, and you can do this with this knob right here. If it is not, then the bacteria will start to grow on the food. Some of the bacteria can survive the cooking process, causing infection in your body. Freezing keeps food safe by slowing the movement of molecules, causing bacteria to enter a dormant stage.
Bacteria grows most rapidly in something called the danger zone, which is a range of temperatures between 40 degrees and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This is why advisors warn consumers to never leave food out of the refrigerator for more than 2 hours. If the temperature is above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, food should not be left out more than 1 hour. Because bacteria is everywhere, even after food is cooked to a safe internal temperature, they can be reintroduced to the food and then reproduce. For this reason, leftovers must be put in small containers for quick cooling and refrigerated within 2 hours.
USDA.gov, it is important to cook raw meat to the proper internal temperature. When cooking beef and pork, the internal temperature should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. When cooking chicken, it should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. To measure this, the USDA recommends buying a food thermometer